Lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Is today your first time of stopping by? You are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video is going to be like more of my night skincare routine. Okay, it's more of that, but first I'll be sharing with you guys the easy and very effective DIY treatment that I mostly use at night. Yes, I mostly use it at night. I include it in my night skincare routine. Okay guys, so that's what I'll be sharing with you guys in today's video. This DIY treatment is easy to make and is very effective. It will help to clear dark spots, it will help to treat acne, it will help to brighten your face. Yes, it's very effective. So without much talk, let's get right into it. Let me show you guys what my night skincare routine looks like. Okay, so guys, to prepare the treatment, first you will need lemon. Go ahead and get lemon. Use the smallest size of the grater to grate the skin. This is to help peel off the skin because that's what we are going to be making use of. I found out that this one is big, so I switched to this one. This does the work better. So we'll be using lemon because it helps meet the skin's vitamin C requirement because it contains vitamin C. It helps to exfoliate skin and brightens complexion. Lemon peel also helps to fight acne and blemishes. It also tones the skin. It has anti-aging properties. Lemon peel helps to moisturize and nourish the skin. It helps to eliminate excess oil on the skin and also fight hyperpigmentations. So using lemon peel on the skin has a lot of skin benefits, guys. So after grating the skin, I go ahead and put everything into the plate. The next thing to add here is turmeric. I added small amount of turmeric because turmeric is also beneficial to the skin. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to fight hyperpigmentations. So the next one here is honey. I'll go ahead and add some drops of honey into it because honey is also beneficial to the skin. Honey helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to fade acne and brighten the skin. It also helps to lock in moisture to the skin. So after that, the next one here is Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt is natural. It contains no sugar. So make sure that the yogurt you'll be using doesn't contain sugar. If you don't have yogurt, you can make use of fresh milk, okay? So I'll go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of yogurt into it, and I will mix very well. Yogurt is very good. It helps to soothe the skin. You know, it helps to fight sunburn. It helps to rejuvenate the skin. It's very, very important. So I'll go ahead and mix very well. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. This is the treatment. Then I'll go ahead and take cotton wool. This is cotton wool. I'll go ahead and apply it on my face. Ooh. Okay guys, I had to take off my wig so I'll be able to apply it very well. So go ahead and apply it all over your face. Like I said, this will help to, clear your face, give you that smooth skin. It will help to brighten your face. It will help to treat acne. This treatment is very, very effective, only if you can be consistent with it. Like I said earlier, I use this 3 times in a week. Yes, I include this in my night routine. There are other things I do, but there are other DIYs I try at night. But this one is a very easy one that I mostly use at night. So it's super effective, guys. So go ahead and apply it. After applying it now, I will wait for it to dry. I'll take you guys along, okay? So I'll leave it on my face to dry. I'll leave it on my face to dry, and once it dries, I'll go ahead and take my shower. So guys, I'm done bathing. I'm done washing my face. So this is the first thing I will apply. I don't apply much. I don't do those, I don't have more than, to be honest, I don't have more than 4 skincare products that I use. I don't have more than 4, okay? It's complicated for me. It's too much for me when I have more than 4. Even the 4 I have, I don't apply them always. Yes, but this one, I always apply this one. Roshun Skin Natural Vitamin C Facial Serum. Roshun. This is very nice, guys. So first, that's what I will apply. I'll add some drop of it in my hand. I'll add some drop, then I'll apply it on my face. So I'll wait for it to dry. Once it dries, the next thing I will apply only 2 things this night. I don't apply much. On a normal day that I didn't apply the DIY treatment, the first thing I will do is to go in with this one, Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. I will go in with this one, use it to clean my face. After cleaning my face with it, I will apply the vitamin C. Then I'll also go ahead and apply my brightening face cream, moisturizer, Cetaphil. This is from Cetaphil. This cream is very good. I've used this cream for almost 2 years. It's very good, guys. So that's the next thing I will apply on my face. I'll go ahead and take some amount of it, put in my pan. Then that's it. So this is basically what I do mostly at night. Like I said, the nights where I didn't apply the DIY treatment, I will go in first with the face toner. But because I applied DIY treatment, I don't need face toner. Let that DIY do the tuning. Whatever I apply on my face, I try to extend it to my neck. So my face and my neck will be the same color. It's always good to do that. So after that, the next thing I will apply is my body cream. I use Medix. So guys, that is it, guys. This is basically my night skincare routine, guys. I don't do much. You don't need to do much. I see some people using, I don't know. When you have a lot of what is it called, skincare products, you even feel lazy to apply them, because by the time you apply 1 or 2 or 3, you will be tired. So why not just use the ones that are necessary, like face toner, moisturizer, vitamin C. Those ones are necessary. You can start with that one. You don't have to have hundreds of it. Okay, another thing I use is this. I use this collagen cream. This collagen, what it does is that it helps to improve the elasticity of the skin. It helps to fade wrinkles. Is anti-aging cream. Yes, it helps you not to, it helps to maintain the youthful glow, your youthful skin. Yeah, so that's what this collagen does. I bought it almost 2 months now, and I've not used it much. So that is it. So guys, that's it. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't fail to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.